I would say it's a disruption. So what's currently ongoing is that digitalization is changing everything. And I already mentioned in my presentation that if you think about 10 years ago when you got your first iPhone or smartphone, nobody thought about that there will be no phone without keys anymore. So the same is currently ongoing in industry. And yeah, I think this will change a lot. This will make us faster, better, ensure our environment goals, for example, reduce energy consumption and so on. And this, I think, is the major advantage of the digitalization. If they want to survive, they will have to use an IoT platform. I'm pretty sure that, let's say, old-style companies that are very successful or have been successful for the last 10, 20, 30, whatever years, they will have to change their mindset. They have to adapt to the new trend, and they will have to use an IoT operating system like mine here from Siemens, that they can achieve their goals, that they can offer their advantages to their customers. I think this is life-saving. They have to do so. There's no way out. What they can, that's a very, very complex question, because if you're thinking about our customers, we have a lot of advantages. We don't even realize that we have advantages. I mean, if you're talking about Uber, Airbnb and so on, this is all regarding cloud solutions and so on. And the next step is to get industry into this system, so that things are produced faster, more efficient, that you gain advantages regarding your, as I already mentioned, your economics and economy targets. So I think you have your end customers have their advantages if they are ordering, let's say, books or whatever on Amazon. They don't know that these things are produced as well. So industry has to adapt, and this will make it all faster. That's the biggest advantage, I think. Well, it has a huge and a very important role in all that stuff, because artificial intelligence will enable us to be faster in analyzing problems and so on, but it's also a danger itself. So we have to be careful what we do with artificial intelligence. It's not let's say, the solution for everything, but it enables us to do things very smart and very fast. For example, to ensure security, which we're talking about at this fair, because you know these 0 days attacks and so on. You have to analyze them very fast, and you need the power and you need artificial intelligence behind. Yeah. I think this is the most crucial point for artificial intelligence. Well, from my point of view, it's very important, unless I wouldn't have driven down from Austria. No, you know, smaller countries like Austria, Slovenia, Croatia and so on, they have to have an exchange, and such events are very important to exchange your information. I mean, we are all cooking with the same water. It's a common sense, and such events, and they're taking place for 3 days. That is very important. So it's not a come in the morning, leave in the evening. So it has to take 2 or 3 days. I think this is very important to get an understanding. What are the problems in Slovenia? What are the problems in Austria? What's the problem of industry? What is the problem of the end user? So there are different point of views, and they can be exchanged. Yeah.